Hi guys, so if you are watching my video now means I'm very sure that you all struggling how to insert batteries inside this device. So this is the kitchen device and this is, if you all know, this is for frosting and for especially for latte or coffee or anything you guys want to make something like dalgona coffee, all those things. So I never thought that I will be recording one video how to insert battery for this kitchen device. So basically, I don't want to talk a lot because I know all of you want to know how to insert the battery. And I believe all of you already tried multiple times and already been tired. So okay, so let me show to you all what is mentioned in this device, especially in the manual. I already checked the manual, and the manual, even though already in the multi languages, but there is no guidance, a proper guidance I can say, to inserting the battery. And also some of the videos that I checked in YouTube channel, they do have mentioned that you have to keep pushing the battery is too big, and some of the video has mentioned that the battery you have to use specifically some special brand, something like that. So it was makes me like to want to give up, keep trying, because I know what they mentioned earlier is you have to use double A battery. So no matter what is your brand, your battery brand, but make sure that it's double A battery. So this is the device. First thing you have to observe in your device is the first thing, there is a negative and also positive, or I can say minus and plus, as showing here on your device here. So the negative is something like mentioning that the minus symbol in your battery, and the positive one is the one, the plus part of your battery. So what you have to know is this one is indicating that if they mention here is minus, so the minus must be facing upwards. If they mention plus here, the plus must be facing upwards. So some of the devices I've seen that you can remove this cap, but this one is from IKEA. So IKEA brand, this cap cannot be removed, you cannot take out this cap. So this is a pros and cons. The pros is when the cap is attached together with this device, so you won't miss out or it won't be missing anywhere. But cons is when you are inserting the battery for the first time, it will be blocking the battery. So the technique is here, come I show it to you. So the first one is I'm checking first what is the battery I should insert inside. It mentioned plus, so the plus battery, so here mention is plus here, so the plus must be facing upwards. So I inserting my battery. So I already tried many times, that is the reason now it looks very easy to inserting my battery. If your first time inserting your battery, sometimes the battery won't be go in fully, so it might be pointing out. So what we have to make sure is it must be go in fully, it must be really go in fully. You can see here, and you can check using your finger whether it is inserted fully or not. So for me, I can see here the battery is fully inside and it is straight. It is straight, that is the most important thing, guys, because when I was watching in the video, no one has mentioned this to me, but when I figure it out, then only I realized why my second battery is cannot go in, because this one should be straight inside. Okay, so it's already go in. The second battery is, the negative is here, the negative should be pointing upwards. So I just putting in. Okay, when you feel a bit harder, then you check again. Then I'm putting in my negative facing upward. See how easy it is. Okay, then just press little bit. Already locked. Now time to testing. I know how do you all feel when I hear this sound, right? The vibration sound, I feel so happy. I feel like I succeed in something. This is what motivated me to make this video today. So I hope you guys feel this video is very helpful. And please comment down below if you're struggling just like me before and manage to insert your battery inside. And happy cooking, guys. Bye bye.